So let's try to solve one more question from IIT JAM 2026, and this is again from the quantum mechanics. A very straightforward question, again from your class notes. So students, you can see this is question ID. I am just quoting your last four digits, 2767, because initial digit will almost remain same. So this question is from the harmonic oscillator. What is this question? Initially, you have potential half kx square, and this potential is going to modify it. That is half kx square and 3ax. So it is modified as a some linear term is also going to add it. So what will be correction in energy for a ground state? And they have given the parameter a is equal to 2 and k is equal to 1 unit. So students, it's a very simple question. And if this is your potential, then you can go for your basically energy. So this is for the old one. So I am just writing old for the ground state. That value is equal to h cut omega by 2. Omega is equal to, root under k upon m. So that value is equal to h cut by 2 root under k upon m. So this will be your old one. So, but we have to mainly work for the new one. So you can see this new one is a same square term and there is some linear term. So we can easily make it perfect square. So let's try to go for this one. So the new potential Vx is equal to half kx square plus 3ax. So what we will do? We will just go for half k common and we will go for x square plus 6ax by k. So you can have a square plus 2ab. And then we will go for plus b square and minus b square. We will add it with ourselves. So 2ab. So that value is equal to plus 3a by k whole square minus 3a by k whole square. So obviously, if we will add it, then we have to subtract it with ourselves. So we write this whole thing as half k, and that value is equal to x square plus 6ax by k plus 3a by k whole square minus we have basically k by 2 3a by k whole square. So this is the term we can have. So this will be completely parabolic in nature. So that value is half k x plus 3a by k whole square minus this whole thing is given by 9a square by 2k. So this is the value we can just go for here. So for the ground state energy, this value will have exactly same energy for this one because this is just shifting the origin. So if you can translate the potential horizontally, then an energy eigenvalue will remain same. So this value will have exactly h cut by 2 into k by m. And this value is a constant value. So this constant value can be written as 9 into a square is equal to 4 by 2 into 1. So this value is almost, not almost, this will be exactly minus 18. So what will happen? So the basically E for the new ground state is equal to h cut by 2 root under k upon m minus 18. So if we will go for E new ground state minus E old ground state, that will be minus 18 unit. So the answer is obviously that is minus 18 unit. So friends, we have done this question in our class. You can see your copy. You can see our study material. Everywhere this question is given. So friends, if you want to get some more question, you can just comment on our this particular playlist, and you can get immediately that solution also. So friends, within a 2 and 3 days, we will almost give you the complete solution. Okay, friends. So take care.